How to become wealthy. 7 simple steps. Embarking on the path to prosperity. We are constantly fed the myth that wealth is a lofty aspiration reserved for the select few with fancy degrees and financial pedigrees. The idea that building wealth and securing financial freedom is unattainable without a background in banking, venture capital, or entrepreneurship is nothing but a falsehood. In reality, anyone willing to put in the effort and gain experience can make their dreams of wealth a reality. The biggest challenge for those struggling financially is that they are already at a disadvantage, fighting against a rigged system designed to keep them out. The game is stacked against them with rules that favor the already wealthy and exclude the underprivileged. However, there is a way out of this rigged game, and it starts with learning the ropes and mastering the rules. What's the key to achieving wealth? How can you make the most of your time and resources? How should you live your life to attain financial freedom? These are the questions I delve into in this video. With practical insights and proven strategies, I'll guide you along the path to prosperity, breaking down the barriers and showing you that wealth is well within your reach. If you are interested in wealth creation and making money work for you, do subscribe to our channel for more money-making ideas in the days to come. Now, get ready to unlock your potential and take your first step towards a brighter financial future. Step 1. Sidestep the pitfalls of bad debt. It's undeniable that debt has become a monstrous challenge in our modern world. You may have heard the adage that debt is slavery, or experienced the panic of seeing red flags on your credit report indicating you're over-leveraged and at risk of being ensnared by an unmanageable loan. Depending on how we handle it and how much we indulge in it, debt can have a colossal impact on our lives. It's all too easy to accumulate debt or spend more than we have, even after we comprehend the risks and consequences of being in over our heads. But what many people fail to realize is that debt has the potential to crush their dreams because they don't know how to pay it off and generate revenue. The key is to stay on top of your bills and make sure they're paid on time, without fail. Another essential step is to grasp the difference between bad debt and reasonable debt. Good debt is incurred when you borrow money to boost your net worth, whereas bad debt arises from spending money on items that lose value quickly, like a new car or big screen TV, which only spell trouble down the line. It's critical to keep track of all your debts and the interest rates you're paying to ensure that they meet the aforementioned criteria. This will allow you to determine whether your debt is good or bad and take appropriate measures. Finally, it's imperative to exercise caution with credit cards and avoid spending more than you've budgeted for. By avoiding debt and maintaining control over your finances, you can position yourself to become wealthy and fulfill your dreams. Step 2. Discover the power of a side hustle. If you yearn to attain financial freedom and lead a life of abundance, then you must embrace the concept of a side hustle. The key to making more money and unlocking the doors to a luxurious lifestyle lies in finding additional avenues of income. Merely sitting idle and waiting for prosperity to knock on your door will not bring you closer to your dreams. It is only through hard work and perseverance that you can create a life of your choosing. With the advent of the digital age, the possibilities are endless. You do not need a fancy degree or years of experience to launch a lucrative side hustle. All you need is an internet connection, a computer, and the will to succeed. The art of discovering a profitable side hustle is not just about making more money. It is about embarking on a journey of self-discovery, personal growth, and adventure. In fact, many successful entrepreneurs started their ventures with nothing but a spark of inspiration and an unwavering commitment to their dreams. So take the plunge and dive into the world of side hustles. With a little bit of creativity, determination, and hard work, you can create a life that is rich in both wealth and happiness. Step 3. Embrace thriftiness and unlock the secret to wealth. Thrifty living is like a lost art that only a few have mastered. It's a language that we all know, yet only a handful of people fluently speak. It may seem like a trivial skill, but in reality, it can be the key to unlocking financial freedom. Money is a powerful tool that can easily deceive us. It creates a sense of security and comfort, which lures us into the trap of overspending. But in truth, the more we spend, the farther we are from financial independence. The wealthy understand this principle well. They don't spend lavishly on themselves, but instead, they prioritize their long-term goals. They use their disposable income to invest and grow their wealth over time. In contrast, The poor are always struggling to stay afloat, constantly at the mercy of the wealthy. They work tirelessly to make ends meet, never able to break free from the cycle of financial hardship. But it doesn't have to be this way. By embracing thriftiness and creating a budget plan, anyone can take control of their finances and unlock the secret to long-term wealth. So don't be a spendthrift, be a savvy saver, and invest in your financial future. Step 4. Expand your wealth with a diversified portfolio. Are you dreaming of becoming a wealthy person? Then it's time to invest your hard-earned money in a diversified portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across various stocks and bonds with varying risks. This may require some effort, but the payoff is well worth it. To achieve financial freedom, it's important to invest as much as you can afford. There's no limit to the amount you can invest, and it's never too late to start. Consider opening an IRA or 401k account to make your money more accessible. By doing this, you avoid taking out loans from banks and paying higher interest rates. The benefits of a diversified portfolio are not limited to tax advantages. The potential returns from investing in stocks and real estate are higher than those from interest income and savings accounts. While there are many investment strategies out there, most experts agree that the stock market is a reliable choice. Some recommend investing in real estate or even speculative investments, but I would consider a balanced portfolio with 65% in stocks, 25% in real estate, and 10% in your preferred speculative assets. This approach maximizes your returns while minimizing risks. Step 5. Craft your financial destiny. Embarking on a journey towards financial prosperity starts with laying out your financial goals. Setting these targets acts as the cornerstone for a sound investment plan, providing a roadmap to keep your investment portfolio thriving. By defining your aspirations, you determine the trajectory of your finances, steering them towards your desired destination. The benefits of setting financial goals are vast and varied. Not only do they make it easier to remember and track your progress, but they also enable you to recognize what you're doing right and where you need to improve. However, a common pitfall is the vagueness and poor articulation of goals, rendering them difficult to track and reducing their chances of success. So where do you start? Should you begin by establishing a $1 million emergency fund, or does that seem overly simplistic? As you navigate this path, keep in mind that wealth creation involves more than just saving money. It requires cultivating the right mindset, one that empowers you to achieve your financial objectives. Are you ready to take charge of your financial destiny? Start by defining your financial goals and watch as you transform your dreams into reality. Step 6. Cultivate your talents. What are your strengths and passions? What skills do you possess? It's time to invest in yourself and develop your talents. Whether it's coding, photography, or a hobby that interests you, spending time honing your craft can be the key to unlocking wealth. Don't be afraid to start with what you love. Your hobby could even turn into a lucrative side hustle, or you can take the skills you already have and upgrade them to the next level. But investing in your abilities isn't just about making money. It's about personal growth, confidence, and the ability to take action in the face of adversity. By learning something new every day, even if it doesn't immediately boost your bank account, you'll become a more well-rounded, self-assured individual. And as a result, success will come much more naturally. Remember, learning is earning. Becoming financially literate doesn't require years of college or boring meetings. You can achieve financial intelligence in just a few short months by seeking out the right resources. Listen to educational podcasts, read books, and connect with successful multimillionaires to gain insight into what it takes to build sustainable wealth. The critical key to truly cultivate wealth requires that you must exercise patience and discipline. Avoid instant gratification and learn to pause before making impulsive purchases. Living within your means and saving your income is crucial to avoiding the trap of debt and mortgages. And as a bonus tip, connect with the wealthy. By surrounding yourself with successful, influential individuals, you'll gain valuable insights and experiences that will help you build your personal brand and create a financially stable future. So if you're tired of trying and failing to achieve financial success, it's time to take action. Learn the basics of entrepreneurship and wealth building with the videos we share on this channel. With dedication and perseverance, anyone can achieve financial stability and success. Thank you for watching.